Welcome back to our English grammar class. Today we are going to learn gerunds and participle. Most important grammar topics because we use gerunds and participle in daily English conversations. By the end of this lesson, you will know what gerunds and participle are, where to use them, and how to avoid common mistakes. Let's start. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb that ends in ing but works as a noun. Formula: verb plus ing equals gerund, noun. Examples: read, reading; sleep, sleeping; write, writing. Remember, a gerund looks like a verb, but it functions as a noun. Gerund as the subject. A gerund can be the subject of a sentence. Examples: reading improves your vocabulary. Sleeping is necessary for health. Learning Urdu is fun. Cooking is my favorite hobby. Question: what is the subject in the sentence reading improves your vocabulary? Answer: reading. Gerund as the object. A gerund can be the object of a verb. Examples: I enjoy writing. She likes reading. They love reading. He avoids backbiting. We finished reading. Gerund after prepositions. After a preposition, always use a gerund. Examples: thank you for supporting me. I am interested in learning Arabic. Verbs followed by gerunds. Some verbs are always followed by gerunds. Examples: finish, write, keep, avoid, consider. Examples: I enjoy writing. Keep smiling. He avoided smoking. Common mistakes. Incorrect: I enjoy to read. Correct: I enjoy reading. Incorrect: she is good at sing. Correct: she is good at singing. A gerund is a verb plus ing used as a noun. It can be the subject of a sentence. It can be the object of a verb. It comes after prepositions. Some verbs are always followed by gerunds. Next. Now we discuss participles. Many students confuse participles with gerunds because both often end in ing, but they have different jobs. Let's understand them step by step. What is a participle? A participle is a verb form that works as an adjective. It describes a noun or pronoun. 3 types of participles. 1. Present participle. 2. Past participle. 3. Perfect participle. 1. Present participle. A present participle ends in ing. Formula: verb plus ing. It describes someone or something. Examples: the crying baby needs water. I saw a flying eagle. She bought a shining shirt. The smiling girl is my daughter. The participles crying, flying, shining, smiling describe nouns. 2. Past participle. A past participle usually ends in ed for regular verbs, but irregular verbs have different forms. Examples: written, broken, taken, closed, finished. Examples in sentences: the broken door needs repair. She found a lost book. The written report is good. The closed shop opens tomorrow. We ate cooked biryani. 3. Perfect participle. Perfect participles show that one action happened before another. Formula: having plus past participle. Examples: Having finished her homework, she watched cartoon. Having completed the project, they went city. Having eaten dinner, we went for a walk. Having studied hard, he passed the competitive exam. Difference between gerund and participle. Gerund works as a noun. Example: reading is my favorite hobby. Participle works as an adjective. Example: the reading student is very quiet. Gerund: swimming is healthy. Participle: the swimming boy waved at us. Let's revise the lecture. A participle is a verb used as an adjective. Present participles end in ing. Past participles are the third form of the verb. Perfect participles use having plus past participle. Participles describe nouns or pronouns. That's all about today.